TaxDome is a modern, all in one tax practice management platform designed to simplify and enhance the operations of tax professionals and accountants. From document storage and client portals to billing and workflow automation, TaxDome equips firms with the tools necessary to handle day to day operations efficiently. In an industry that demands precision, speed, and client satisfaction, TaxDome excels by providing a user friendly interface and robust features that cater to businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a solo tax preparer or part of a larger firm, the platform's scalability and flexibility ensure that your unique business needs are met. So, for its features and benefits, first is the client portal. So, it's a secure and intuitive portal for clients to access their documents, messages, and project updates. This enhances transparency and keeps client informed about their projects. It also reduces the need for back and forth emails by centralizing communications. Another key feature is the workflow automation. So it streamlines recurring tasks like sending reminders and assigning deadlines through automation. This saves time by eliminating repetitive manual tasks. This also improves task consistency and reduces the risk of human error. Another key feature is the document management. It's an organized digital repository for storing and managing client documents, integrated with e signature capabilities. This ensures quick and secure access to documents whenever needed. So it also simplifies approval processes, cutting down on delays and paperwork. Another key feature is the billing and payments. So it offers tools for invoicing, recurring payments, and automated payment reminders. This simplifies financial processes, reducing manual errors, and also enhances cash flow management, helping you get paid on time. Another key feature is the team collaboration. So it facilitates task delegation, internal communication, and tracking team performance. This promotes teamwork and ensures accountability within your organization. It also improves overall efficiency and resource allocation. So, why is TaxDome a great choice? TaxDome is more than just a management tool. It's a complete solution tailored to the needs of tax professionals in an increasingly digital world. Its emphasis on automation allows businesses to focus more on client relationships and less on administrative tasks. The platform's user friendly design ensures a short learning curve, while its scalability makes it suitable for both solo practitioners and large firms. Additionally, the secure client portal and integrated e-signature feature prioritize convenience and compliance, giving users a competitive edge. So TaxDome's affordability and robust feature set make it a strong contender in the tax practice management space. By providing all essential tools in one place, it eliminates the need for multiple software solutions, saving both time and money. So, here are some tips for maximizing TaxDome. First is you want to optimize your templates. So, create workflow templates for recurring tasks to save time and standardize operations. Another tip is to leverage client portal features. So encourage clients to utilize the portal for uploading documents and tracking project progress to improve engagement and satisfaction. So basically, TaxDome offers a comprehensive and streamlined approach to managing tax practices, making it an invaluable tool for professionals aiming to enhance their efficiency and client service. Its robust features, ranging from workflow automation to secure document management, simplify the complexities of daily operations, freeing up time to focus on what matters most, delivering exceptional service. By investing in TaxDome, you are equipping your practice with a modern, scalable, and cost effective solution that adapts to your needs. Whether you are managing a small practice or a large firm, TaxDome empowers you to streamline processes, increase productivity, and build lasting client relationships, all while staying ahead in a competitive industry. So, if you need more information about TaxDome, you can always visit their website. And from here, you'll see a bunch of different information, such as features that I haven't mentioned, all of this reviews, why it's a good platform. And of course, you can view the pricing in their website. So as you can see, we have different kinds of subscriptions, such as the 3 year subscription, 2 year subscription, and 1 year subscription, with the pricings right here. So if you want, you can always request a demo to request all of the functionalities or detailed comparison of the features of TaxDome. And when you scroll down, you can also see features right here, such as the features for the firm management, features for client management, revenue operations, client experience, and integrations. So they also have customer support. As you can see, we have a detailed comparison right here. So just make sure to avail the plan that has all of your business needs. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.